put my film roll with me.
Ganun ulit siya yung parang yan, agad yung nagbabanda-banda.
Bye. We're on the way to airport. And tanggal na agad yung sa nail. Ay! Sorry guys. Currently waiting for our Grab in the middle of the night. Vloggers in the wild. As na nag-aasikas sila. Baby number 1. Iba-iba yung baby ko for every day. Hello guys, this is an interview. What are you feeling right now? How about you? How about you? So hot, and that's because of me, guys. We are Tirador ng Libre.
May we request all flight bound guests on Cebu Pacific Flight 5J312 to kindly remain seated in front of gate 106.
Nasaan yan? We moved the boarding gates. Our first boarding gate says here is 104. And then we got transferred to 106. And then now we're at 103. And then they just announced that our flight is delayed without a definite time.
This is your boarding announcement.
Prioritize big bag and the overhead bin.
Appreciation for my nails, guys. This is my other hand.
It's been
More than a decade.
It's been 12 years. Simula na ulit sa Big Body. Sa Big Flying naman sa bili mo ito. Amig. Bili mo ito. Ayun, PTU. Yung PTU yung power transfer unit ng hydraulic pressure.
Of the red tubes. Blow to increase air.
past the hour of 9 in the morning, and there's no time difference between Manila and Taipei. Thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. In last 10 and catch your back.
Vloggers in the wild. Invite kami. Kahit ano. Hindi dun sa akin. Hindi ka nanalo. Invite ka. Pag-isipan mo. Go. Wala, hindi ka nanalo. Hindi tayo nanalo. We did not win Lucky Land. We were not lucky enough. Thumbnail. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Thank you.
Ano pangalan?
Just amazing inside.
Ba, naging 9-minute walk na.
Asan siya?
Kanina nataanan natin.
Bakit? Baka hahaluin.
Hindi pa rin.
Patikim. Thank you. Hi kayo guys.
Hello. We are in Taiwan.
Easy cards.
Ganun kayo kasi.
Yung isa, nabuksan ko na. This is mine. We're gonna do a silent room tour because my family is already sleeping and I can't sleep. So this is the door when you enter. This is the view. This is the bedroom. There's a bathtub and a shower and then the closet. And then the drinks area. My family sleeping. TV, chair, and the view. That's everything. It's just a small room with a nice view. And now I'm gonna take a rest. See you later. This is us after waking up. I'm gonna have some coffee. Hindi pa nakita yung coffee ko. Coffee done. I've had enough pictures now of my nails, so it's free. Pang pictures lang siya, guys. Kasi tatanggal siya agad, so tinanggal ko na. I don't wanna worry about losing my nails. Currently 9 p.m. Night market closes now 10 p.m. I'm gonna go in a few. Hope we can buy some food. Fit check. We don't have a body length mirror, so cardigan is from Stray Kids. It's an official merch. This too is from Lovito. Shoes is from Nike. Oh, damn.
Picture mo rin.
Nasa first na tayo. Vloggers in the wild. Hello.
Yeah, 70. It's
Okay.
a free sticker for you.
Thank you. Please carry me home.
No?
Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. Yes, please.
Nakabalot sa limpala.
Convenience store stuff. One.
Okay. Tapos, kuha ka ng Taiwan. Wasabi to. Sino mo sa Shanton, hindi mainit ano?
Isa na lang siya.
Diyan ka para sa tapat ka ng vlog mo.
Wee. Ooh.
Dito na ano lang ko. Pugo. May itlog.
Pugo.
Itlog ng pugo naman to.
Gusto mo nung ano? Oh.
Ito siya siya. Kumusta naman to?
Fishball.
Parami aso.
Dog siya.
Pakagat.
How to eat xiaolongbao
Ay,
by
sorry.
my tour guide sister.
First, you get the xiaolongbao you wanna eat, and then you poke. Wala ka ng sabaw na mahigop to, so I'm just gonna go.
Iko mo siya.
Ooh! His first time trying xiaolongbao. Curry fish ball.
Sa'yo to. Kay mami yung isa.
Fish ball.
Kung gusto niya. Ito. Is sa'yo.
This one's pugo.
Pugo naman talaga.
Ito mga lalagyan nila. Thank you so much, Kamagyan. This one is peanut ice cream. Huwag mo buksan.
Ay, akala ko wrap siya.
Wait lang. Explain ko muna yung laman niya. It has peanut, literal, tapos ice cream. Tapos may cilantro siya. Pero di ko pinalagay yung cilantro.
Trigin mo na kape. Kalimutan mo.
Wala na. 4 lang yun. Everyday kasi. Means you already have your coffee for the day. Masarap.
Ang dami sa buo.
Ooh.
Doon.
Tuluan ko pa lang siya.
Ito nga ang tulugan.
Na ano din siya. Hindi na sabi yung word. Nadula.
Damn.
You guys hear that? Good morning. Sabi mo, good morning, Mother Rico. Good morning! Ready with me. Ikaw. Depende sa'yo kung gusto.
Parang piso-piso lang po. Alin, bawat ano yan, bawat kanto para.
Ano yan? Sachet? Sachet? Sa...
Kitang-kita pala talaga ito. Pero nasa malayo.
Labo mo sa akin. Pati nga ba siya? Parang ang itim dyan, no? Tingnan mo. Parang may contest.
Tara tayo.
Tapos, pagdating natin dito, so 50 per person.
No receipt.
Transfer station on the orange line. Hillhouse.
Thank you. Daddy, huwag mo naman lagay dyan. Kaya nga. Ito yung crystal, oh.
Nayok. Wala pang hawak.
Kinabahan.
Wala man lang hawak.
Hindi nahula.
Parang ngayon lang ulo, ganito rin naman tayo sa Hong Kong. no?
Nung sa Hong Kong ba, crystal din yung hawak?
Bilog na tayo nun, mas masikip eh.
Ayun na. Ano ka?
Hello siya. Buti na lang tayo lang tao.
Tingnan mo kasi sa baba, parang hindi ka na.
Kaya nga.
Parang susuka ako.
Ang ganda, oh.
Kinakabahan ka din na siya.
Ako nalipad daw, ganito lagi view ko eh.
Ay nga pala.
1,000 kissed.
Yung parang sumakay. Nung nakasakay na eh, ganun-ganun na. Umiiyak na eh. Ibalik na tayo. Pero baka pwedeng palit tayo. Kasi may init sila na dito.
Eh kung kaya niyo tumayo.
At mainit. Ay, makapay. Ay, tinatawa pa po to.
Hello, we're on ganda. Pagkakaskate ka ba?
Vloggers in the wild.
Babae dito.
Mami, oh, tignan mo sa baba. Tignan mo sa baba. Ang taas natin. Ang taas.
Ayaw nga, no?
Maudong.
Maokong.
Ay, may. Maukong. Milk tea.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Tea. Ay, joke.
Green tea, milk tea,
Ice
and
cream.
mix. Mami, patikim ng milk tea. Ooh, very milky.
Diba puro ano naman na to? Okay. Ay, Brothers in the Wild. Literal na in the wild.
Anong world?
Wild.
This is my mom and her very, very slow pace. And my dad with a fast pace, pero it's matching her face. Don't you guys love that? And then this is my brother with a top pace. I'm more of an adventurous girly. I'm more adventurous dito ako.
Ang tawag dyan sa po, ano na yan? Napakakatito. Rono.
Katito?
Rono kung tawagin.
Ang tawag ko dyan,
Yan.
damo. Vlogger in the wild, quite literally. Say hi. Quiz number 1. This is our stop.
Cash price dito is
Ano yung
150.
kinukuha namin sa bundok?
Ratan.
Yun, ratan.
Yes, 1 point for me. Ito.
Hanapin mo lang puno niyan kasi
Stock salat.
Daddy, toksalat ko daw. Yapper.
Ilang taon ka nun?
I'm proud of your hard work.
maybe in between 8 to 12 years old.
All I can say is that you worked hard.
Part of our life, but it's not that hard. We are enjoying what we have, what we
Oh,
can, and
that is very important. That's a very nice answer. What can you say?
That's the
other
report
choice
for
other than
today.
enjoy
After
and-
30 years of Senator's Lot, he is once again climbing a mountain.
Are you happy to be back in your element?
Not exactly to be back.
Hindi namin alam kung ba't namin ito inakit eh. Actually, ako, di ko alam. We're supposed to go to a tea house, which is that way. But my brother saw this, sabi niya, 800 meters lang. So now we're tired. A vlogger in the wild. Oh, he is Sean in the wild. Sean in his element. He's actually a monkey.
Ratan yan.
How much do you sell the rattan back then?
For one day, at least you can gather around kind of one bundle like that, and maybe you will earn around 30 to 50 pesos.
And 30 to 50 pesos, is that enough for a day or for a week?
Depends where you want to consume it.
Okay, thank you. We're now going down.
Mountain Jaco finisher. Sabi ko anong recommend niya. Turo niya yan.
Taste test.
Sanay na ako dyan.
Cha talaga.
Tsaka sa Japan.
Pero kung di ka sanay sa cha.
Medyo refreshing siya.
Kasi malamig.
Ang peke na. Coffee?
Di rin yun. Thank you.
Ano? Macdo?
Maokong.
Ano?
Maokong. Ginawa mo ng McDonald's.
Mao pa.
Gano'n ko ito?
10 seconds.
Bakit ano ko bang tatayo?
Ano ba yun? Ngiti ka naman dyan. Grabe lang yung mukha niya.
Yung mga naging ano, naging magandang country para sa'yo. Laging may background na dark yan.
Cute. Yay!
Ito ang background mo. Ito ang background mo.
My first stop kasi lagi ko nalilimutan. Okay, thank you. Kuya, parang ano sa Jurassic Park. Aslan. Ano meron dito?
Akala ko statwa lang.
Natakot ako. What's that? Sumabit yung kangkong sa ngalang-ngalang niya. Siguro may tan line na ako. Wala. Family, say hi!
Too tired.
Ba't ang tagal? Yun, natipid ka pa.
Ayun na, 25 yung grape.
Daddy, I got that for you.
Hello!
Malapit lang. Malagasan ka.
Joby, come on, Joby.
Bye-bye!
Okay, so... Ito.
Tayo.
Diba tour package yung ulo?
Masarap pero may buto pa.
Magkano yung 3 lifestyle mo?
3 days, 2 nights. Tigisang gabi lang pala di mo kung China, no?
Nakakapagod yung parang nagmamadali ka natin. Hindi yung bakasyon.
Salamat sila, walang bundok to. Nakumain ng oras na.
Na-realize ko yun nung SG na ang perfect time is nasa 5 days above. For me, ha?
Kasi makapagtanda ka tanda. Siguro, hindi ko naman tanda, pero...
Masarap sana itong kainin kung wala ng buto.
Wala, pili na yun.
Ang laki nga yun.
Buto?
Yung stretching ni Ma. Daddy. Sabay.
Masarap. Nakakairita lang yung buto.